Good morning everyone, it's 8 a.m. and I'm currently on the intercity to Arnhem. I'm actually on my way to Frankfurt. Again. I've got a nice seat, a nice view, and a nice cup of coffee.
To get to Frankfurt, I took an intercity to 's-Hertogenbosch. There I changed onto another intercity to Arnhem Central Station. In Arnhem, I boarded the ICE 105 to Frankfurt's International Airport via Cologne. Once I got to Frankfurt's International Airport, I got onto another ICE which took me to Frankfurt Central Station. The coolest part of the journey is probably the high-speed line between Cologne and Frankfurt. Here, trains go up to 300 kilometers an hour through stunning hills and beautiful valleys. The arrival into Frankfurt was rather slow, so I decided to speed up the footage for this part of the video. Also, if you want to know how I saved quite a lot of money on this trip, you should check out the link that appeared in the top right of your screen, or check the description. Anyways, if you really enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and even leaving a comment. That was all. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.